Good morning, students. Now I'm going to continue the lesson, the Northern Plain. In our previous class, up to Punjab, life in the Northern Plains, up to Punjab we discussed. Okay, yes, now I'm going to say about that Haryana and what are other states comes under the Northern Plains. Okay, first one is already we discussed about Punjab. Second is Haryana. Second one is Haryana. Yes. First only I told about this northern plains because of that perennial rivers. These all states, these all northern plain regions are so fertile. Okay, so in these all states, agriculture is one of the very famous occupation of the people. Okay, agriculture is one of the famous occupation those who are living in the northern plain region. And also this Haryana, what we discussed about Punjab, that is also located in the Satluj River Basin. Like that, this is another one state located on the Satluj River Basin. Haryana also located near the Satluj River Basin. Means this state is watered by the Satluj River. Okay. Yes. And also this is also one of the very fertile land. What we are discussing under that northern plains, what are the states we are going to discuss? That all states lands are so fertile. Understood? So agriculture is one of the main occupation. With that agriculture, there is some industries and any other activities also going on near that northern plain region. Okay. Then in the Haryana, which is one of the very famous industry, means that is car manufacturing industry. Gurgaon, got it? Gurgaon in the Haryana. Car manufacturing factory, Maruti factory is located in the Haryana. That is one of the very popular industry in Haryana. With that agricultural activities, they are having an this industry, car manufacturing industry. And also, what are the languages they are talking, they are speaking in the Haryana, means that is Hindi and also the Haryanvi. First only I told to you in the northern region, North Indian regions, Hindi is one of the official language to the people. Okay. With that Hindi, they are having and they are speaking a regional languages. Like that, this Haryanvi is one of the ರೀಜನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರಿಯಾಣ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಹರಿಯಾಣ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ರೀಜನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಹರಿಯಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದಿಸ್ ಹರಿಯಾಣ್ವಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಡೈಲೆಕ್ಟ್? ಡೈಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಬ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಹಿಂದಿಯಿಂದನೇ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಡಯಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ Delhi. Yes, this is one of the very popular. Got it? Why it is very popular means this is one of the capital of India. So it is most popular in our country, India. This is the Delhi. It is one of the capital, and also in that Delhi, what we are seeing that government center, especially central government offices, majorly that is located in Delhi. Understood? Like that prime ministers, president, these all offices of these people are located in ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಂತ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಆಲ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ those who are living in that Delhi, what are the languages they are speaking means Hindi, English, Punjabi, Urdu. These all languages they are speaking. Hindi, one of the official language, central government offices are located, means that is officially they are using Hindi. Got it? With that Hindi, English, Punjabi, Urdu, these all languages also they are using. Okay. Yes. And also what are the main festival? How we discussed about other states main festival. Okay. Then this Delhi, what we are celebrating in India, that all festivals they are celebrating. ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. what we are popularly celebrating in India, that all festivals they are celebrating. Okay, yes. And also it is most popular for historical monuments. Historical monuments means historical places, tourist places, that is having an background, having a story of history, historical background. Got it? What are that places means Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, India Gate, very popular that is, and also Jantar Mantar, Lotus Temple. These all historical monuments are located at Delhi. Okay, this is information about Delhi. And next state is Uttar Pradesh. Next state is Uttar Pradesh. Yes, this Uttar Pradesh is one of the large and thickly populated state. Okay, this is one of the large area covered place and also most populated state in our country. Okay, and also this is like that other northern plain state. This is also one of the very fertile, and this is watered by the Ganga river. Okay, means Punjab and Haryana is watered by the Satluj river. Got it? You must identify that. What are the states located in which river basin? That is very important. Okay, this Uttar Pradesh is watered by the Ganga river, so it is comes under the Ganga river basin, Uttar Pradesh. And also agriculture is one of the occupation, and with that they are having some industries, popular industries. In that popular industries, leather, metal and textile industries are most popular in that state of Uttar Pradesh. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ leather, metal and also the textile industry. They are manufacturing these all goods. Okay, and also what are the languages they are speaking? Spoken languages means Hindi and also the Urdu. Okay, Urdu they are speaking as a regional language. Hindi is one of the official language to the people, those who are living in the Uttar Pradesh. And also what are the festival they are celebrating means Diwali, Holi, Dasara, Eid and Christmas. Okay, these all are the popularly celebrating festival in Uttar Pradesh. Understood? This is about the Uttar Pradesh. And also what are the major cities located in Uttar Pradesh means that is Allahabad, Varanasi, Agra, Kanpur. These all are the major cities. Okay, at Uttar Pradesh. And also that rivers, so what are the rivers flowing in Uttar Pradesh means that is Ganga and Yamuna. These two are the major rivers flowing in the Uttar Pradesh. And also that two rivers are meet at one place, that is also in the Uttar Pradesh. That place is popularly known as Sangam. Okay, ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗಂಗಾ ಮತ್ತು ಯಮುನಾ ಎರಡೂ ರಿವರು ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ರಿವರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಸಂಗಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಹೋಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ದ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಹೋಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್. ಹಿಂದೂಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ? ಹೋಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬಿಹಾರ್. Fifth state is Bihar. Yes, what about that Bihar capital is Patna. Okay, you already know that capital. And also this is also one of the thickly populated state. This is located in Ganga river basin. And also comparing to other all states, this state soil is extremely fertile. ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ವೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ ದ ಬಿಹಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ what are the industries located at Bihar? That all industries are basically from the agricultural products. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಬಿಹಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಾನು ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್. And also what are the languages? Languages में Hindi, Urdu and also Maithili. Maithili is one of the regional language those who are living in the Bihar. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? This Hindi and Urdu is common language. In other states also they are speaking, but especially Maithili, that is one of the regional language of the people of Bihar. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes. Next come to festivals. Festival means Eid, Diwali and Dasara. They are celebrating mainly, and with that festival any other festival also they are celebrating. And with that festival, what I told about Eid, Diwali and Dasara, Chhat, that is one of the traditional festival. Okay, Chhat is one of the traditional festival of the state Bihar, especially that is one of the traditional, and also it is Bihar people only celebrating this festival, Chhat, traditional festival of the regional festival, that is. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರೀಜನ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೀಜನಲ್ festivals. Chhat is one of the regional festival, important traditional festival, that is. Okay, yes. And also about that cities, what are the famous cities located at Bihar means Nalanda and also Bodh Gaya. Okay, Nalanda means that is when we are hearing that Nalanda name is popularly, that is famous for educational activities, historical background it is having. Okay, Nalanda. And also Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya, it is one of the famous tourism place for Buddhism peoples. Buddha, got it? Yes. Next, okay, let us continue about that what are the states remaining in the northern plain region in my next class. Read up to here and also try to find what are the famous industries located in the northern plain region. You must write by state by state. Okay, state by state you have to write in your homework note. That is homework for you. Okay, thank you.